Hi, today we're going to take down box review, look at Hasbro's Beyblade Burst Evolution, America Hasbro exclusive Bay, MiNOBOROS M2, D02 TA07 attack type. So it's attack type. Obviously, white spin, bay. Attack is 6. Burst is 4. Defense 0. Weight 4. Agility 5. Stamina 1. And then, D-Wide, Sunrise, WBBA, all that stuff. And, wow, this one's not telling you about, www. Beyblade. Oh, no, wait. There it is. Right there. Didn't even see it. But, all that stuff. So yeah, let's get this bay open and check it out. So we get an instruction sheet, whipcord, launcher, and here's all the parts of MiNOBOROS M2. So let's clean this up a bit. There we go. So that's all the parts of MiNOBOROS M2. So we have our dual energy layer, which is MiNOBOROS M2. Looks nice. We got the bid there, some kind of flame design. Don't know why the camera doesn't really want to put this one up that much. There you go. Some kind of like flame design. The M for MiNOBOROS. The horns. He's got a little wing in his nose. But if we look at it, it's actually two M's. Obviously we got the little M in the center. But then if we look at the way how its head is shaped, his head is also shaped like a little M. Right there, see it? The little M. So obviously this is the upgrade to MiNOBOROS. Now this one, you had the horns that went back here. And these ones that kind of flare out to the side. And then we also kind of have like somewhat of little mustache horns on the side over here. This one we don't get that. This one actually has more of a bull's face to it. If you look at it, it's kind of by the eyes. Almost like a Midnight Bull and what was the other bull's name in the Metals Fight series that Benkei used? I know the evolved form was Midnight Bull. Dark Bull. That's right. He used Dark Bull and then Midnight Bull. But this one's kind of got more of a snout and that bull, nose piercing type of thing going on. And then also, it has the screws on top, so that lets you know it's the second one, not the first one that had the screws on the bottom. So, here's the QR code. Come on. There we go. Then we have the forged disc, which has letter K on there for knuckle. And of course we have this driver, which to me it looks like an L or a 7, but apparently that's supposed to be a J because this driver is called Jade. J-A-G-G-Y. Jade. So, MiNOBOROS M2 Knuckle Jade. Wow. When you say it like that, MiNOBOROS should not be, MiNOBOROS, if you have Knuckle Jade, you think that would be more like a gorilla or something. But like, it's dragging its knuckles on the ground. And not a bull that has, Aussie hoofs and stuff. Like a little quadruped. You think that, it would be more like a gorilla. Or some kind of big giant ape. But nope. It's MiNOBOROS Knuckle Jade. So let's move these things out of the way. Get our Bay Stadium in here. And test out the bay. 3, 2, 1, lay whip! Wow, that bay, wow, it's like super aggressive. It is a Asian bull. Now, if they change the name to MiNOBOROS and it has, instead of knuckle, they use a wage disc, or maybe a wage driver, then that would work a lot better. Because then you could, and then what if, it had a user, and the user's special move was Waging launch, or Waging cage, or, Waging bull launch, or an horn strike for special move attacks. I mean, dang, that actually makes sense. You see what I'm doing? I'll turn this bay and make it into a lot more sense. Giving some kind of special launch attack name, like how, all the other main protagonist characters in the show, all their bays have different launch attacks, and then they also have different, burst attacks and stuff. And, giving a new name instead of MiNOBOROS Knuckle Driver, how about MiNOBOROS Wage? Because you see it in the base game, it goes back and forth, up and down like a crazy waging bull, like a bullfight. Or, a bull riding competition, It's a waging bull! Seriously. But, Hasbro decided to go with, some of the parts that they already have. And instead we get, the Hasbro exclusive MiNOBOROS M2 Knuckle Jade. Yeah. So that has been an unboxing review of Hasbro